So with the next iPhone coming out, we will basically have to go ahead and convert our iPhone to eSIMs. Now if you are anybody like me, if you have an iPhone 10 or above, you don't have the ability of utilizing eSIMs, which is really cool. However, sometimes verify that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So if you go to your iPhone settings and tap on cellular data, you should tap on setup cellular and basically do it. So if for some reason you don't have this option, you can do it easily. So go back to settings and check your last updates. So basically proceed to general, tap on software update and reload this page to check new updates here. If you have some updates, of course you should upload these updates and install to your device. Once you do it, you should reboot your device, and if not helping, you should again reboot your device. Just put up your SIM card and again put in your SIM card and again enable your device and try to check if it helped. So second, I would recommend you to contact to your provider. So if you have an ATM or Verizon or T-Mobile, however you have, you need to basically go ahead and contact them. So make your way to your iPhone and get their contact number and let them know that, hey, I don't see that convert to SIM card option in iPhone. I need to go and get an eSIM. Can you please help me with it? And they will go ahead and walk you the process or walk you through the process of converting your SIM card to an eSIM, and from there the eSIM is pretty much do it or QR code. So it's basically just a QR code that you can scan within. It look kind of something like this, and that is pretty much how to do it. It's very basically, it's really doesn't take much time, and basically at that point they will send you the QR code. And last, maybe you on airplane mode. So basically swipe from right side of the screen to down or swipe from bottom to top and you'll be able to see account center and just disable this airplane mode. So maybe it's help you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.